I bought was from H&M.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Saturday and I'm trying to make food and also get ready to study. I'm actually doing my master's online as a part-time, and that has been taking a lot of my time. I was really planning to post every other week, but because of my master's degree, I am unable to do so. It's a Saturday and I went out to meet up with two friends I met online. I mean, it was a good day. I think I really like them and hopefully I'm going to really get to see them more. Most often my weekends are really packed up with assignments, studying to meet up with the units for each week, and I just realized I also have another certification I need to write on or before June the 2nd. So yeah, it's been really busy period for me, but I hope you're enjoying our hangout, weekend hangout. Hungry and I can't wait to just get my food ready and eat. It's been an okay Saturday, but I've not achieved as much as I expect to achieve.